This is the Hot Wheels Cool Toys Truck Stop playset. This is from 1999. Comes with one truck and one hauler. This set usually costs about $5 in the holiday stores. Here's a quick look at the front of the box from the Cool Toys series from the 1990s collection. Here's a look at the back of the box. And the cover has 1999. And now let's open it up. Here's the gold. The pieces included with the set. As you can see, it comes with a brand new color, which is so awesome. There's an instruction manual, sticker sheet, and the two cars included. So let's put it together. Here's a look at the set fully assembled, and let me tell you, it took a long time to put together. It's super easy, and it's like $5 in the stores, but the color looks so colorful and it looks so happy. Here's a look at the playset itself. And here's a closer look at the cars included.